stick around to see how we made 3 cool, cute, unique dragonflies out of household items. I really don't think you want to miss this, so you better stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
What's up, people in the place to be? It is your girl Cheryl, also known as the activity author, and we got a good one for you today. Oh, we got a good one. So y'all gonna like this. 3 different dragonflies with household items. All right, so for the first one, we're gonna use a plastic spoon. Now check this out. I didn't have any plastic spoons. We had too much KFC, so we had a spork. We're gonna turn this spork into a spoon by doing the following. It's a spoon now. Yes, you guys can do this trick too if y'all eat too much KFC and y'all don't have no spoons. But anyway, so if you go to Dollar Tree, you can find these pom-pom critters. They're so cool and so unique. But we're gonna cut the little bottom part off. And if you don't have this, don't worry. I'll show you later on in the video how to make one from scratch. It's not hard. But anyway, yeah, so go ahead and cut the rest of the stuff you don't need. We're gonna hot glue it to this spoon, which once was a spork. And keep watching. Alright, so after I hot glued all the pom-pom balls on here, then I am deciding how to make my wings. We can do popsicle sticks, we can crisscross them, but you know what? I'm actually going to just use a drum roll pipe cleaner. Haha! There you are, all done. And look, we only 2 minutes in the video and we already got 1 dragonfly accomplished. Whoop whoop. Let's go ahead and move to the second one. All right, after you color your big popsicle stick, look, there's these critters again, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. So look, if you have a pom-pom ball and some googly eyes, bam, you made a critter. Now, if you don't have a pom-pom ball, use some cotton balls, glue them together. You got a pom-pom ball now. So go ahead and put this big old pom-pom ball on the stick, hot glue it, and get you some coffee filters. Now, you think we just gonna use these plain old white coffee filters? Wrong, y'all know me by now. We do it big on this channel. So go ahead and click that card up top so you can see my black ballerina craft where I show you guys how to dye these using just some water and some food coloring. So yeah, this is some that was left over. So I have one that was left over from that craft I'm gonna scrunch it up, twist it in the middle just to secure it and hot glue it. That's simple. And now the last thing, we gotta decorate our stick because it doesn't look complete, right? Yeah, it's missing either some pom-pom balls or some sequences. Yes, let's put some sequences on this. This is nice. So after you finish decorating, you're done. Y'all, didn't I tell y'all this is easy? Okay, and you still watching. It's very clear that you are loving my content, so go ahead and click that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can see more of your girl, and hit that notification bell. All right, let's go to the last and final craft of the day using a clothespin. Now guys, don't judge me. This is the prettiest clothespin I had in my house. So I clearly need to go get some more clothespins, but go ahead and take you a pom-pom ball if you got one. If not, make one. Cotton balls, guys, stay with me. So go ahead and put your eyes on the cotton ball, and look, he's almost done. He's 1/3 of the way. Now, we're going to use a Ziploc bag for this. You can fill it with some pom-pom balls, or you can fill it with some of this confetti that we had left over from another craft. Y'all click the card up top if y'all want to see how we did this craft. That way you can stay in tune with your girl. But I decided to fill it with pom-pom balls, as you can see. And I cut the little slider part off because we don't need it. And I'm just going to tape it just like this. So now separate them on each side and twist the bag like so, and then you're going to clip it in your clothespin. Now, you know this is a good opportunity to teach your child the different parts of a dragonfly, right? Like the long part here is a thorax. Teach them that. That's some science. Now, are we gonna put sequences? Are we gonna do confetti? Like, what we gonna put on there, y'all? Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and use the confetti. I think that'll be cute, right? All right, so let's go ahead and use the confetti, and we're gonna decorate the thorax. Yep. Teaching kids science. And once you're done with that, you are done. So weren't these crafts easy? Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all want to see more crafts like this, because I got plenty more ideas. Like we can make some wings out of aluminum foil. I got y'all, man. I got y'all. All right, so do me one more favor. While you down there commenting, tell me which one you like. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Which one y'all gonna do today? Let your girl know. And I will be looking forward to your comments and seeing what you guys think. And I'll see you on the next video tomorrow, because you know we got a new craft every day, and tomorrow is a book-inspired craft. Yay! So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have a good day. Happy Friday.